So, this is the Citroën C4X. You might be thinking it looks awfully familiar, almost like a regular Citroën C4, and you wouldn't be wrong. In many ways it is a C4, but Citroën added an X and made a different car. The X supposedly means crossover, but the standard C4 already is a crossover. Raised ride height, black plastic cladding around the wheel arches, that rugged-ish look. So this is a crossover of body styles rather than an SUV. The main difference isn't obvious from the front. Head-on, it's identical to the C4 hatchback. The split headlights and chevrons are carried over, doors and side panels are the same up to the rear pillar. You could take a C4 door and bolt it on. The real story starts where the roofline slopes down. Part fastback, part sedan, all around unique. Side-by-side rear profile comparison, C4 versus C4X. It's an interesting proposition. Not quite a sedan. It has a high-riding stance. Definitely not a hatchback. Not an SUV, despite the plastic cladding. Citroën carved a niche within a niche. It blends the sleekness of a fastback with higher ground clearance, a bold move in a sea of SUVs and hatchbacks. As we continue our walk around, the focus shifts to the rear half where all the action is. The roofline extends much further back than the C4 hatchback, creating a longer, more elegant silhouette. This extension adds 24 centimeters, about 9.5 inches, pushing it into a different size category. The added length sits entirely in the rear overhang, giving the car a more substantial road presence. It feels less like a compact city car, more like a proper family vehicle, bridging the gap to the smaller C4 and the larger C5X. The tail design is completely new, inspired by the C5X. The taillights are a perfect example. Arrow-like lights. Right side points outwards, left side points outwards. Together they form an X when viewed from behind, a clear tie-in to the car's name. I also really like the little detail where the Citroën Chevron logo is integrated into the light signature, a small, thoughtful detail. Unlike the C4 hatchback with the plate on the tailgate, the C4X moves it to the lower bumper, creating a cleaner trunk lid. Another interesting point: weight. You'd assume nearly 10 inches of extra metal and glass adds a lot of weight, but surprisingly, it doesn't. The C4X is only about 25 kilograms, around 55 pounds. Heavier than the hatchback. That's due to the lightweight trunk lid and hinge design. A large hatchback door requires heavy-duty gas struts and a more complex reinforced structure, whereas the traditional trunk lid is simpler and lighter, offsetting much of the added weight. The hatchback to fastback transformation feels distinct and more upscale. Now for the main event, the entire reason for the C4X's existence: the trunk. Popping it open reveals the big payoff for that extra 24 centimeters of length. The standard C4 hatchback offers a respectable but not class-leading 380 liters of cargo space. This C4X boasts a massive 510 liters. That is a substantial increase, putting it on par with much larger family sedans. It's ideal for families who need to haul luggage for long holiday trips, strollers, shopping bags, or just generally carry a lot of stuff. The sheer volume here is seriously impressive for a car in this class. However, this is where we run into the car's biggest quirk and potential deal-breaker. This is not a hatchback or a liftback, it's a traditional sedan with a conventional trunk lid. That means while you have an enormous amount of horizontal space, the opening itself is relatively small and constrained. The height of the opening is limited. You don't get that wide, tall access that makes hatchbacks so incredibly versatile. So, while you can fit a ton of suitcases, groceries, and duffel bags, you're going to have a very hard time loading bulky items. Forget trying to fit a washing machine or a large piece of flat-pack furniture in here. Things you could conceivably squeeze into a C4 hatchback. Another quirky detail to be aware of is the hinge mechanism. The C4X uses large gooseneck-style hinges that swing down into the cargo area when you close the trunk lid. This is a common cost-saving measure in sedans, but it means you have to be careful how you pack your luggage. If you fill the trunk to the brim, especially near the back, these hinges will press down on your belongings when you try to close it, so the trunk presents a classic trade-off. For day-to-day use and family vacations, the extra 130 liters of space is a huge advantage. Stepping into the back seats of the C4X, you'll find the interior space largely identical to the regular C4, mostly a good thing. The extra length is all behind the rear axle, so the wheelbase stays the same and so does the legroom. For an average height passenger, about 1.8 m, 5'11", the space is perfectly adequate. My knees have enough clearance from the front seat back. I don't feel cramped. The footwells are roomy. I can slide my feet under the front seats for extra comfort on long trips. Where the C4X really shines is the comfort of the seats themselves. Citroën's soft, cushioned ride philosophy extends to the seating. The rear bench uses the same high-density foam as the front, part of Citroën's advanced comfort program. The back seats feel plush and supportive, almost like a comfortable sofa rather than a car bench. It's great to see rear passengers getting the same treatment as the front. There is a slight compromise from the stylish, sloping roofline. My head has just enough clearance. Someone over 6 feet would likely brush the headliner. The fastback design eats into headroom compared with a boxy SUV or the C4 hatchback. Not a deal-breaker for kids or short trips, but worth noting for tall passengers. The rear cabin is well equipped with amenities that make it pleasant to be in. Fold-down center armrest, 2 cup holders, dedicated rear air vents, USB-A port, USB-C port, small, thoughtful features that keep everyone charged and connected on the go. The space is comfortable, but it has vertical limits. Overall, a well-designed rear cabin that prioritizes comfort over maximum space. Moving to the front of the cabin, the story is one of familiarity. The dashboard is lifted from the regular C4. One key improvement we'll get to. But first, the seats. Part of Citroën's advanced comfort program, absolutely phenomenal. They are wide, soft, deeply cushioned, designed to absorb vibrations and provide support on long drives. Honestly, these are some of the most comfortable seats you'll find in any car at this price point. If you want something significantly more comfortable, you'd probably have to start looking at ultra-luxury brands like Rolls-Royce. The rest of the dashboard layout is a masterclass in sensible, user-friendly design. In an era where many manufacturers are burying essential functions within touchscreen menus, Citroën has thankfully retained a healthy number of physical buttons and dials. You get proper, chunky rotary dials for the climate control, which you can operate easily without taking your eyes off the road. The steering wheel is a nice modern design with logically placed buttons for cruise control and media functions. This commitment to physical controls makes the C4X an incredibly easy and intuitive car to live with on a daily basis. One of my favorite quirky Citroën features makes a return here: the clever passenger-side storage. Above the generously sized glove box, there's a slide-out tray designed specifically to hold a tablet like an iPad. You just pop out the tray. It provides a secure mount for a device, allowing the front passenger to watch movies or get some work done on a long trip. It's a unique and genuinely useful feature that you simply don't see in other cars. Overall, the front cabin of the EC4X is a fantastic place to spend time. The materials are well assembled and durable, the visibility is good, and the ergonomics are spot on. One of the most significant updates for the C4X, and a key difference from earlier C4 models, is the brand new infotainment system. This car is equipped with a beautiful 10-inch widescreen display that you might recognize from the larger, more expensive C5X. This new system, called My Citroën Drive Plus, is a massive improvement over the older software. The display is crisp, the graphics are modern, it has enough processing power to be genuinely responsive. Menus open instantaneously. Swiping between screens is smooth and fluid. It's refreshing to see this segment finally get an infotainment system that doesn't lag. The user interface is highly customizable, allowing you to set up widgets for your most used functions. Navigation, media, phone calls, much like a smartphone. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, decluttering the cabin from messy cables. Paired with the wireless charging pad in the center console, it creates a seamless modern connectivity experience. This brings the C4X in line with its most modern competitors. This new system is being rolled out to the regular C4 hatchback as well. If you're considering the hatchback, it might be worth waiting a few months to get this screen and software. It transforms the user experience, making the cabin feel more premium and up-to-date. The old system wasn't terrible, but the new one is faster, more intuitive, and better looking, a must-have feature for new buyers. If there's one word that defines the Citroën EC4X on the road, it's comfort. This car is not designed for sporty driving, and it makes no apologies for it. The entire engineering philosophy is centered around creating a serene and relaxing driving experience, and in that regard, it is a resounding success. The key to this is Citroën's progressive hydraulic cushions suspension system. This isn't a complex air suspension, but rather a clever system that uses hydraulic stops within the shock absorbers to smooth out bumps and imperfections in the road, creating what feels like a magic carpet ride effect. The result is a ride quality that is exceptionally soft and compliant. While most modern European cars, especially EVs with their heavy batteries, tend to have a firm and sometimes jittery ride, the C4X glides over potholes and rough surfaces with a remarkable gentleness. It absorbs bumps that would send a jolt through the cabin of many of its rivals. This makes it an absolutely fantastic car for daily commuting on less-than-perfect city streets, or for long-distance highway cruising. If your priority is to be isolated from the harshness of the road, this car is arguably one of the best out there regardless of price. Of course, this focus on softness means that the C4X is not a car you want to push hard through corners. There is a noticeable amount of body roll when you take a turn with any kind of enthusiasm. The steering is light and lacks the sharp feedback you'd find in a more performance-oriented vehicle. This isn't a criticism, but rather an observation of its character. This car encourages a calm, measured driving style. It rewards you for driving smoothly, not for trying to set a new lap record on your way to the grocery store. It's a car that lowers your stress levels rather than raising your heart rate. Being the fully electric C4X version, the driving experience is also incredibly quiet and refined, creating a truly tranquil environment that makes it feel like a sanctuary on wheels. The Citroën C4X I'm driving today is powered by a 50 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which is a familiar unit across many Stellantis vehicles. This battery provides an official WLTP range of around 360 kilometers, or about 224 miles. In real-world driving, expect that to be a bit lower, especially in colder weather or during sustained highway driving. Still, it's perfectly adequate for most daily commutes and for some longer journeys with planning. The motor makes 136 horsepower, but instant torque makes the car feel zippy off the line. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, or 0 to 62 miles per hour, takes around 9.5 seconds. Not a dragstrip car, but quick enough for merging onto highways and for city traffic. Charging supports up to 100 kilowatts fast charging. At a compatible DC fast charger, you can go from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes. That's usually enough time to grab a coffee and stretch your legs on longer trips. For home charging, a standard 7.4 kilowatt wall box will fully charge overnight. One important point, Stellantis is rolling out an upgraded powertrain, a slightly larger 54 kilowatt-hour battery, plus a more efficient, more powerful 156 horsepower motor. That should push official range to over 400 kilometers, or around 250 miles. The update is expected in the near future, possibly within a year, which creates a dilemma for buyers today. The current 50 kilowatt-hour system is solid and adequate for most users, but the upcoming upgrade will make it even more competitive. Whether to buy now or wait depends on your immediate needs and patience for the improved specifications. So, who is this car for? The Citroën C4X is for the person who values comfort above all else. If you are tired of firm, sporty rides and just want a car that can soothe you on your daily commute, this is an absolutely brilliant choice. It's for the family that needs a huge trunk for holiday luggage but doesn't need the versatility of a hatchback for hauling bulky items. It's for the driver who appreciates thoughtful, user-friendly design and isn't chasing the latest performance statistics. It's a car that excels at being calm, quiet, and incredibly comfortable. The unique body style also sets it apart. In a sea of generic SUVs and hatchbacks, fastback, sedan, crossover design is a breath of fresh air. It's quirky, it's different, and it has a certain elegance that you don't find in its more conventional rivals. It offers the high driving position that so many buyers love, but with a sleeker and more distinctive profile. If you want a car that doesn't look like everything else in the parking lot, the C4X is a compelling option that makes a quiet statement without being loud or ostentatious. However, the biggest question for any prospective buyer right now, in September 2025, is whether to buy now or wait. The imminent arrival of the upgraded 54 kilowatt-hour battery and 156 horsepower motor is a significant factor. That update will bring more range and slightly better performance, addressing one of the current model's few average-ish attributes. If you're not in a hurry to buy a new car, my advice would be to wait a little while for the new version to arrive. The extra 40 kilometers of range and improved efficiency will make an already good car even better and more competitive in the long run. But if you need a car now and find a good deal on the current 50 kilowatt-hour model, you will still be getting a fantastic vehicle. Its core strengths, unparalleled comfort, the huge trunk, the user-friendly interior, and the stylish design, are all there. it remains one of the most comfortable and relaxing electric cars you can buy at any price. The Citroën C4X is a car that knows exactly what it wants to be: a serene, stylish, and practical family vehicle. And in that mission, it succeeds beautifully, quirks and all.